Good afternoon, guys. It's a lovely winter afternoon. It's a Sunday afternoon, and this time we are here in the old city of Ahmedabad. We are here at हम लोग आ गए हैं कालूपुर दरवाजे के पास में, and right now it is the fag end of January. और अभी अभी उत्तरायण जो है जो विच इज़ द काइट फ्लाइंग फेस्टिवल अभी वो गया है.
मकर संक्रांति बहुत बड़ा फेस्टिवल है गुजरात में. अहमदाबाद एंड ओल्ड सिटी is very popular. The hustle bustle of Makar Sankranti is always visible in Ahmedabad, and we Ahmedabadis are always proud and excited about it. And along with the kite flying, there is one more aspect of Makar Sankranti, and that is eating of chikkis, or as we call them popularly, they are peanut or sesame bars mixed with sugar and jaggery. And we are here in the middle of Ahmedabad to a place that has specifically been mastering the art of making chikki for a century. Believe me, guys, when I say that, a century, 100 years they have been manufacturing and selling chikki to the city of Ahmedabad.
Absolutely. So basically सिर्फ मकर संक्रांति में ही चिक्की नहीं खाई जाती, बट यहाँ के लोग all across the year they eat चिक्की. एंड तो हम लोग आ गए यहाँ पर और हम लोग जाके देखते हैं सिर्फ देयर इज़ नॉट ओनली सिंगल चिक्की, मतलब सिंगल तिल चिक्की या तो सिंग चिक्की होती है. आई थिंक देयर आर अ वेराइटी ऑफ चिक्कीज, and let's just go inside and check out the variety of chickis.
Yes, over the years they have, I think, come up with a lot of variety. The owner, Mr. Pankaj Lala, who is the fourth generation, did he say fourth or the third generation?
Third generation.
In the family to run and own the shop and the production of the chikkis. They also they specialize in chikkis and revdi. That is what it is. Now, what is revdi?
Revdi is a small version of the til chikki. I think revdi is much smaller. It is also made out of sugar and jaggery. So a lot of variety of chikkis are waiting for us inside. Let's go in and check it out.
Brilliant. Look forward to it. Look forward to it.
अलग-अलग ना
खुद की ये बोल रहे हैं.
We are now inside the shop, and it is a 100-year-old shop, as we already said. And you can see all around there are various kind of chikkis and revdis all around. There are so many different kind of chikkis. I didn't know even there were so many different kind of varieties.
It is amazing. It's like being in a rainbow of chikkis.
Yeah.
So we got so many varieties. I can see something black and brown and pale colors. It is being in a fun fair of chikkis and revdis. And you know what the best thing is? It's these good old traditional eateries are as equivalent to the modern energy bars, or say those flapjacks that you get, the fancy ones. But this is where it all started, I believe.
And something that is very surprising for me is, up till now, now that I've come to the old city, up till now I used to think there is only one type of,
Chikki?
dal chikki, or sing chikki. But after coming here, I came to know there's so many varieties. So we have some varieties which are very special and which have been kept here. And let us start and taste them.
All right. So here we are trying their double sing chikki. The beauty of it is it's not like the regular chikkis we see, right?
Okay.
Well, it's got a lot of peanuts, definitely. And for me, the structure is like a honeycomb.
Honeycomb, yeah.
Yeah, the sugar honeycomb made, but
honey.
it is definitely got jaggery in it.
Yeah.
Let's have a bite too.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Made with jaggery, so I'm sure it's healthy. Healthier version. I think it is different from the conventional kind of chikki that we Sing chicky. What do you think?
The idea of the extra peanut in there, the quantity of peanut is quite visible in the crunch.
And it feels very smooth in the mouth.
Yes.
If you notice that, it feels absolutely smooth in the mouth.
It's
Very
amazing.
nice.
I love the texture. I
Very
love
nice.
the finish in the mouth.
Very nice.
So you're now trying this chicky, the Rajwadi. Like they mentioned, the interesting thing in it is they add a spice to it.
Yeah, absolutely. I can see the spices actually in it.
Yeah. So
Okay.
let's taste it.
So I think it has got spices like teja, na?
That is what they said.
Okay. Let us check it out.
I can smell the
You can actually smell the
cinnamon
spices.
and the mix of spices. The black pepper.
It has
got a lot of-
taste of that along with the.
It's very subtle. It's not spicy,
Yeah.
but it's there.
Yeah, taste
It's
of
like
that.
it's like eating a Christmas candy.
Yeah. Very different from what we have tasted up till now.
Oh yeah, this is brilliantly
Very nice.
new to me.
Very nice.
Amazing, amazing.
Okay, guys. So let me taste the chocolate one now. Chocolate has always been my favorite. So this is a Sing chicky, right?
It is Sing
Sing, and it is with chocolate.
with chocolate.
So you can have the bigger one.
Thank you.
I'm being gracious to you.
Pleasure, sir. Thank you for that. Now, because of the chocolate, there's a softness to the break in the chicky. It's not crunchy. And you feel
It
the
is-
nice gooiness of the
Yeah,
chocolate.
because of the chocolate, it becomes slightly chewy. Chewy हो जाती है थोड़ी.
Well, this is slightly towards what do you call the chocolate bar you get with peanuts in it. Can you recall that? The famous brand?
Snickers.
Sneaker, yeah.
It is.
It's getting there. It's getting there.
Yeah,
but
almost.
it's not as chocolatey as Sneakers.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's still got the element of sticky.
But I'm sure it must be much healthier as compared to Snickers. So, Oman, now let us taste this. ये dry fruit का चिक्की है. I think it has got an assorted variety of dry fruits inside.
Yeah. And like they mentioned, they haven't used flakes. It's whole dry fruit.
Whole dry fruits. I'm sure.
So you see on the side, you can see they are not almond flakes. They are whole almonds.
Absolutely.
They are not cashew nut flakes. They are whole cashew nuts. And the beauty of it is this is again jaggery based. It's not sugar based.
Jaggery base, yeah. So again, we can take care of our health in this. Okay. Again,
I'll have
you
the
can
smaller
have
one,
the.
sir.
I would like to give you the. Be gracious and give you the
Thank you so
bigger
much.
one.
So we got pista in there, we got almonds in there, we got cashew
Yeah,
nuts in there,
it's got the whole
and wow,
assorted dry fruits. Let's have it.
that has got a beautiful finish.
Beautiful finish, yeah. Loved it.
Loved it.
So, Oman, I mean, the chickis that we tasted were, slightly hard the way chickis are. Of course, the chickis over here are softer as compared to the other chickis जो हम लोगों ने खाई थी. But अभी जो chickis हमारे सामने आई है, वो basically soft है. And so let us first see कौन सी chickis है. यहाँ पे this is the mawa. This is coconut chicky. This is the gulab chicky. And this is the gold,
Called
black
black
gold,
gold.
black gold chicky. तो ये सारी चिकीज जो है वो it is softer as compared to पहले की चिकीज जो हम लोगों ने खाई थी. और उसमें ये मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ, ये वाली जो चिकी है, ये मावा चिकी जो है, मलाई चिकी जो है, ये स्पेशली फॉर सीनियर्स के लिए है, जो कि they have a problem in chewing the normal chicky. They can have this chicky.
It's got the same contents of peanuts and jaggery.
So, Oman, which chicky do you think we should be tasting?
I think let's try the mawa first.
Okay.
That almost looks like a burfi, but apparently it's not. It's a chicky. And look at the break, no sound. That was like a soft door break.
It is absolutely soft. Yeah. So you give me the big one.
Yes, sir. You have been gracious to me. I've been gracious to you.
Okay, so let me taste this.
For a chicky that's soft.
Absolutely
That's
soft. It is
almost
almost
melt in the
like a peda.
Exactly.
It breaks absolutely like a peda.
And full of flavors.
Full of flavors, yeah.
Of a chicky. So the flavors
Especially-
we get when you eat a chicky and bite into it, the later flavors that you get in the mouth, you get this on the first bite. So the next one that is interesting here is a coconut flavored chicky. Now, it looks beautiful. Again, it's in the range of the softer chickies. So let's try this.
दिखने में ये actually coconut बर्फी जैसी दिखती है, but let us see how it tastes different.
This is again a
Yeah,
soft
very
grape.
soft, very soft.
And boy, you can actually sense the coconut.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, I can smell the coconut as well. There's a brilliant combination of coconut and peanut.
Absolutely. And it has slightly that, coconut burfi kind of a flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it does have. It is very soft. Even this one I think can be had by seniors, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Now the next one that we will check out is the gulab chikki. Looks pretty beautiful.
Oh, they
Very nice
they look-
and
they
very
look nice.
aesthetic. So let us taste this. You can have this.
Thank you, sir.
I will have
Now
this.
I see beautiful things in there. It really looks good.
No, these are really soft chikkis, right? Which actually melt in the mouth.
That's a flavor I did not expect in a chicky. A combination of the rolls and peanuts.
It is almost like a burfi, almost like.
it's
but,
beautiful.
but it is really nice. So now, Aman, let us try this one, and this is pretty interesting. This goes by the name of black gold. Okay, and most
I'm
interesting.
hoping it's as good as gold.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. I mean, black gold is priceless. So this is. I hope it goes as per its name. And you know what? This doesn't contain either sugar or jaggery.
Yeah, the thing is, it is made out of just dates. Instead of the base of sugar or jaggery, the base is date. And he specifically mentioned it's Iranian dates they use.
Okay.
So it's high quality, good dates. And a
Absolutely.
lot of dry fruits.
Absolutely. So I'm sure this one must be the healthiest
I think-
out of them.
I think-
It's got all the dry fruits. It's got the dates. It doesn't have any sugar or jaggery.
I think anybody wanting to looking for protein bars after gym, this is a product. to
This
look
is
for.
this is a product. I think this can be marketed as a health bar. Of
Exactly.
course. And I am curious to see how sweet it is. I mean,
Let's grab a bite.
Let's try it.
Now see that shows it's pure dates, nothing else. There's just dates in there. It shows it. Oh boy, that is an energy bar.
It is absolutely an energy bar. It's not so sweet. It is just as sweet as the date. And really, it's got a very natural flavor.
Brilliant, brilliant.
So, guys, this place is pretty famous for tilpak and revdis. So this is what revdi looks like. Oman, you had a question. What is revdi? So this is what revdi looks like.
brilliant.
It is a smaller version of the
These are like small candies.
candies. Absolutely right. But these are more organic ones.
All right.
Okay. So this is the chocolate. This is the chocolate flavored one. This is the roasted gajak. Gajak is basically a paste of sesame and sesame or
Sesame
gur
and
jaggery. Okay. And this
That
is
is the rajwadi.
rajwadi. Okay. So these are the revdis.
આ બધા હવે sugar based revdis છે. So it's like giving, if you want your kids to eat some candies, why not give them this with
absolutely.
the goodness of sesame seed.
Yeah,
Obviously the sugar content there to give them the high energy kids need, but at the same time some amazing flavors like strawberry, orange, pista, badam, and I think they are innovating revdi altogether.
Absolutely. Or one more fun fact is that in the prasad, people choose very sweet items, and revdi is one item which is used a lot in prasads. So these kind of different flavored revdis are used a lot by people as far as prasad is concerned. So Oman, which was the best chikki you liked?
I think the double sing chikki that had the honeycomb
Yup.
texture to
Absolutely.
the jaggery and everything.
मेरे मन की बात छीन ली आपने.
मेरे को लगता है कि वो बहुत ही यूनिक है। चिक्की हमने बहुत जगह से खाई हुई है ओवर द इयर्स, पर मेरे ख्याल से इनका एक सिग्नेचर आइटम कहेंगे तो वो
Double Sing chicky है।
That is brilliant. It is a must have. You should come and ask for it.
Absolutely right. And उन्होंने मेरे मुंह की बात छीन ली, and that is one product that I loved a lot. So that was the end of our sweet expedition, you know, wherein we tasted.
For a Sunday winter afternoon, it was good to have some healthy sweets, which are also traditionally winter bites, energy bites that people have. And the variety was surprising.
Absolutely surprising. I mean, I didn't know. I am born and brought up in Ahmedabad, but I didn't know that there are so many varieties of, you know, this talpak, or you know, this the sweets which are available. So many varieties of revdis are available, and it's something that I came to know when I came over here. तो अगर आप लोगों को भी मतलब ये सारी वैरायटी चाहिए, तो आप लोग यहाँ पे लालाजी स्वीट्स करके जो कालुपुर दरवाज़ा के पास में है, यहाँ पर आइए। दिस इज़ अ 100-year-old शॉप, ओके, एंड they are experts as far as this is concerned, and we really loved them, the entire variety. We could not taste the entire variety, but I'm sure it must be great.
Plenty of chikkis to choose from, plenty of revdi, plenty of other things as well. But then the thing is, it's a 100-year-old institution in itself, so worth a visit, worth trying it, and I'm sure you will love it because amazing product.
And with that, we are signing off.
Bye bye.
Bye.